Hello, dear Getfloorplan users. I am excited to introduce our new tool that will revolutionize your experience with virtual tours. It's called Ruler. Soon, it will be available on our website, but for now, it's accessible to users upon request. When placing an order, enter the promo code RULER and receive this tool as a gift with any package you choose. The Ruler feature is an innovative solution to enhance the effectiveness of your presentations and sales. Now, you can make precise measurements of furniture sizes and distances between different points in space. This feature opens up new possibilities for your clients. They can easily select furniture of the right size and accurately estimate the amount of materials needed for renovation. Additionally, measurements will help create a more realistic understanding of the property's dimensions. The ruler is integrated directly into our widget, making it easy to place on your website. Thus, you get a convenient tool that is effortlessly available to your clients. How to use the ruler tool? It's simple. Click on the ruler icon. When the circle appears, click. This will be the first measurement point. Move the cursor and click to set the second point. The measurement in meters and feet will appear. You can easily reset the measurement by clicking or continue measuring as needed. This tool will become an indispensable assistant in your work, providing accurate data and enhancing your virtual tours. Enjoy the benefits of the ruler from Getfloorplan and make successful deals. Thank you for your attention, and we wish you productive work with our tools.